Welcome to the tropical paradise of Palawan, located in the Philippines and renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty. With its pristine beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and lush landscapes, Palawan is a haven for nature lovers and those seeking a serene escape. Palawan stretches across a vast area, encompassing numerous islands, including the main island of Palawan and the popular destinations of El Nido, Coron, and Puerto Princesa. Each offers its own unique charm and attractions, but they all share the same enchanting allure. El Nido is a tropical paradise known for its towering limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons, and vibrant coral reefs. Immerse yourself in the stunning beauty of Bucket Bay, where emerald green waters meet white sandy beaches, creating a postcard-perfect scene. Coron is famous for its pristine dive sites and stunning underwater landscapes. Explore World War I shipwrecks, vibrant coral gardens, and swim in the crystal-clear waters of Payangan Lake, known as one of the cleanest lakes in Asia. In Puerto Princesa, you can venture into the mesmerizing underground river, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature. Embark on a boat tour through the underground caverns, marveling at the impressive stalactite and stalagmite formations. Palawan's natural wonders extend beyond its coastal beauty. The island is home to lush jungles, wildlife sanctuaries, and stunning landscapes like the dramatic limestone formations of the St. Paul Subterranean River National Park. With its commitment to environmental preservation and sustainable tourism, Palawan offers visitors the chance to connect with nature while respecting its fragile ecosystems. From snorkeling and diving to island hopping adventures and relaxing on pristine beaches, there's no shortage of activities to indulge in and moments of tranquility to savor. Palawan is more than just a tropical getaway. It's an escape to a world of unparalleled natural beauty and a place where the harmony between humans and nature is celebrated. Prepare to be enchanted by the turquoise waters, lush forests, and warm hospitality of Palawan, a destination that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime.